Elon Musk's proposed plan to migrate to Mars is not likely to be realized due to significant technical, financial and biological challenges at the moment. Since Mars is about 55 million kilometers from Earth, all the technical problems necessary for spaceflight, the biological problems that can sustain human health, and the financial problems that can cover all of this need to be solved. The Mars migration plan is also one of the biggest technological challenges in human history, and these large-scale projects require political will and international cooperation. So far, some steps have been successful, but solving these challenges is still expected to take a lot of time and effort. Therefore, Elon Musk's plan to move to Mars is considered unlikely to materialize in the short term. It seems that huge amounts of equipment and supplies are needed. Nor will it overcome the speed of the Earth's escape without teleporting that large amount of equipment and supplies. Is that right? That's right. Migrating to Mars requires a lot of equipment and supplies. However, with the current technical limitations, it is impossible to teleport these materials. Therefore, in order to overcome Earth's escape speed, spacecraft to Mars must have enough fuel and momentum. This requires technological development, such as minimizing the size and weight of spacecraft and developing efficient methods of using fuel and energy. The plan also requires very large living modules, food, medical supplies, clothing, and other supplies, and huge amounts of rocket fuel and special equipment to produce and transport them. Therefore, the implementation of the Mars migration plan requires solving a variety of technical, financial, and biological challenges, and technological developments and research are currently underway to solve these problems. Rather, it would be faster to water the desert, plant trees, and build a city. It's not going to be easy with current technology and finances. That's right. Getting water from desert areas, planting trees and building cities is not easy with technology and finance today. But this is a different matter than the Mars migration plan, requiring different technical, financial, and environmental considerations. For example, getting water from a desert area requires salt removal technology to remove salt from marine swimming or collect water vapor from the atmosphere. If you plant trees, you should also address the technology involved in growing and maintaining them in dry, barren areas. Building a city also requires infrastructure and building skills. Therefore, solving these problems requires technological development and research, and active policy support and resource input. It is not easy to solve all problems, but it is possible to improve the quality of life in desert areas and achieve sustainable development through continuous efforts and research. Then, with the help of artificial intelligence, the desert is flooded with spring water, lions and tigers become herbivores, and poisonous animals do not spit poison. Can all mankind create a world free from poverty and disease? Now technically, it's impossible for AI to create spring water in the desert or change the behavior of animals. Artificial intelligence performs well for certain tasks such as data analysis and prediction, pattern recognition, etc., but it is not a magical technology that can solve every problem in the natural environment. However, artificial intelligence is already helping human life in various fields, and it is likely to be used in many more fields in the future. In healthcare, for example, AI technology can be used to diagnose and predict diseases, analyze medical images, and personalize treatments. In the energy sector, you can leverage artificial intelligence to develop more efficient power generation methods, or analyze energy usage patterns to maximize energy savings. In order to create a world where all mankind is free from poverty and disease, technological development and research in various fields, and active policy support and resource input are needed. Artificial intelligence may be one of the technologies that can make this possible, but it cannot be achieved without human effort and cooperation.